This is Hikeren Bluetooth obd2 scanner with power switch. Here it is a 16 pins obd2 scanner interface. Please look at it. 6 pins. Make sure your vehicle has these 16 pins. Yeah, please plug the scanner into the interface. Press the power switch. Make sure the red light is on. Please start your car. Now, start your car. Okay. Look for settings on your cell phone. Look for settings on your cell phone. Yes, press it. Then choose Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth is on. Yeah, when you don't look for obd2, please press the power switch again. Okay, then obd2 is showed before us. Okay, then pair it. Press 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. Yes, or 4, 0. That's okay. Okay. Yes, close the C88. Yeah, then exit the settings. Look for talkback on your cell phone. No, choose no. Yeah, press adapter status. Then settings, press settings. Press settings on your upper right of your cell phone. Settings, yes. Press it. Then choose obd2 adapter settings. And you will find connection type. Yes, press it. Here there are Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB. So please choose Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Auto Bluetooth on off. Choose it. And only if BT was already off, please choose it too. That's okay. Then we exit the settings. Okay. Yeah, it's great. Let's work. Okay. Then find the fraud codes. Yes. You know, we need some time to find the code. Please be patient. Oh, great. No fraud codes. Okay. Let's look at others function of the scanner. Yes, this is an amazing scanner. Okay, that's all. Thanks. 啊？还行不啦？还行吧，应该差不多。咱们推荐个要么搞个来生产上去。